This is the CNC lab here on the Verde campus. All state-of-the-art, brand new machines, all of the technology that these kids are going to need to be able to use for the CNC machining industry. CNC machining jobs are in high demand right now. You can come through these classes, get your basic CNC knowledge, and shops are hiring straight out of these programs. There's jobs in this area. There's shops that are looking for kids who have come through these programs, are trained, and are ready to get out there and work. This is a great way to get some training, to gain a skill, get out there and get a job. So if you're interested in CNC machining or engineering at all, this is a great place to start. You can start as early as a sophomore. Check with your high school advisor, and we hope to see you right here in the lab.